Hello. Today we will be starting spreadsheets. So once you watch the Educanon video and it's completed, you can close out of it. So let's close out of that. And we're brought back to our Symbolo. Remember, it's just simply ryo.symbaloo.com. And depending if you're fourth or fifth grade, click on the appropriate spreadsheets pod. So let's click on it. It will open the Evernote, and we are in week 2. I will use an Educanon video to learn about the location of cells. So you need to state the location of cells as you're watching this video. That's what I'll be quizzing you on. So let's download this. You're going to also do the assignment after you watch the video. So if numbers pops up like this, just hit continue and view my spreadsheets. And just hit cancel since we're opening up the file already. If the file doesn't open automatically, just go down to the right hand side to downloads and you can open it up. So let's save this to the documents folder first. So we're going to click up on the top just like we would in Pages, and we're going to delete this whole thing out, sample.numbers, and write our first and last name. So if my name is Mike Davis, I'm going to write Mike Davis. And where do I want to save it? But I'm going to change it from the downloads to my documents folder. And now it's saved. So now here we have a simple table. So we have a purple cell that's filled in, we have a border, then we have these cell locations. So first, in these cell locations, we are going to mark in the coordinates. So what we're going to do right now is if we click on cell 1, what coordinate is this? So as you can tell, it is B3. If we run our fingers down and across, it's B3. So each one of these boxes is called a cell. So each cell has a location. So all we're going to do is type in B3 and hit return, and it will replace our font. That's all you're doing today with it. Next, what is the location of cell 2? Now, if I click on it, what is the location of cell 2? Can you get a hint anywhere? Yup, right up here, it's highlighted in the column. So you're going from up to down vertical are columns. And then from left to right are your rows. So this is the 10th row and column D. So what are we going to write into cell 2? Yup, D10. You will finish the rest of this. So what is this one right here? F4. Finally, what is cell 4? So we're going to just click. What column is cell 4? Let's put it that way. What column is cell 4? Yes, it is G. And what row is this cell? 17. Exactly. Next, I want you to change this purple cell, because you can fill in the colors. I want you to change it to a blue, any blue that you would like. So, since we're formatting a cell, first we have to select it. And then over in the formatting palette, we're going to click on cell, because we want to format the cell. Not cell phone, not cells like body cells, but cell, because it makes up a whole table. So we're going to fill it. So right over here, let's change it from purple to any blue. Okay. And then if we want to add a border, we can select any one of these borders. So this will be to the right, to the left. Let's just keep it on this one for now and make it a red border and put this up to 4 and see how we have a now border around that. Now on A5, let's take off the border. So how will we do that? What we're going to do is take this 4 and make it a 0. And we can do it that way. How else can we do that though? So let's undo this. And instead, if we click around, you can see that it will still show up. So we're going to just click over here and click on No Border. So that is how you will be completing the assignment. Open it up and do the same exact thing. Create no border and put a border just around the blue as shown. Once you are done, save it and exit out and go on to TypingPal.